What's up everybody, this is Mark and welcome to my another video. Today, gonna be a short video because I didn't plan for this. Just thought about it and decided to go out, film something, use and only use my phone. Now it's 4 p.m, an hour before sunset. You guys know how much I love sunset. So let's pack up. Let's go. Yeah, let's pack up. Back, Canon 60D 1755 lens, ultra wide 1120 lens. I'm gonna film with my phone, so obviously gimbal, my phone, of course. Now it's 22%, not so good. I'm gonna take a power bank and cable. Okay, I don't need a tripod today. This is a great part. This is a Monopod. Monopod? Hey Siri, how to spell Monopod?
Monopod.
Yeah, it's a Monopod. I never know how to use a Monopod. I like to use it as an extension stick. Just hang there. Mikey, never forget that. So, everything's packed. Let's get into this. In 3, 2, 1.